What's up, YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs. We're going to do the point of view driving for the modified Camaro here. And I'm actually on my way to go make another video for the channel, but I figured this would be a great opportunity to go ahead and get the point of view on the channel. So we're going to stroll out of the garage here and head south. So yeah, if it's your first time here, it'd be highly appreciated if y'all go smash the subscribe button below. I am always putting videos out and starting to branch out as far as different ideas and stuff that I do. So we're gonna roll the window down here and see if we can see how well this camera kind of picks up this exhaust real quick. Let's see. I'm not gonna punch it all the way though. I had to let off a little bit because there's a stop sign right here. Alright, so we're going to sit this four-way for a second. As soon as we turn, I'm going to try to punch it if there's no cops. Alright, we got the arrow, so let's see. I don't think any of those are cops. I'm telling you, that Borla attack has totally changed this car. Like before, people would turn their heads and be like, you know, nice car, cool color, multiple compliments on the color, but multiple compliments on this inside here. But as tool pops up on my screen here, it's pretty cool. But man, it's like once I put that Borla on, it's just total different approach from people. Like, yeah, you still got the car, looks great, nice color and etc. But now it's like, man, that thing sounds great. And seems like a lot more people want to race now. I don't know if that's because they can hear it or they just happen to come up on me when I got a heavy pedal myself. So yeah, we're heading south. Actually, I'm going to go record another video for the channel that will probably come out before this video, but I'm going to Coden Park again. If you've watched some of my previous videos, I've been down there a couple times. Hopefully the park's not packed. If it is, then I'll find another place to do the video. But that place is pretty cool. It's probably my favorite place to do videos. It's right on the water. And yeah, hopefully we pass some cool cars here. And like always, it don't matter if you're driving a sports car or not, you're always going to have people riding your butts. I don't know if you can see them in my rear view mirrors there. If I was in any other car, I'd probably brake check them. But yeah, I'm not going to do that in this car. But it seems like if somebody's seen you in a nice car, they can look, that's an SS. That's cool. What's the chances of that? That looked like a 2019 or 2020 Camaro SS there. That was pretty cool. Hopefully my camera picked it up. It's kind of, on the preview, it's kind of bright up here, but that's cool. Man, I just had some guys looking. I didn't get it on camera. They were working beside a gas station, and they all stopped and turned and watched. And of course, I stomped it for them and it sounded good. We're actually gonna come up on a speedway here. Alright, we're coming up on a speedway here. I'm gonna roll my window down so y'all might be able to see it a little bit better. It's kind of over there. On the other side. Yeah, you can see it. The round track and the drag strip's just forward of that towards us here. Pretty cool. Don't know if y'all can hear me with the window down or not, so I'm gonna roll it back up. I usually ride with my windows down and my sunroof down. Not down, but open. But I don't know how the audio would be, me talking with all the constant pressure changes from the wind. So we're gonna get over and let this Mustang pass us here. Here's an old Mustang coming up. See if he's gonna want to race. He's got his window down, so maybe he might want to. Oh, he gave me a thumbs up. I hope I got that on camera. I like your ride too, man. Seems like a lot of, you know, obviously they're rivals, Mustangs and Camaros, but a lot of people hate towards each other, man, and it's like, why? I mean, let somebody enjoy their ride, man. If they like Mustangs, let them enjoy their Mustang. If you like Camaros, enjoy your Camaros, man. Everybody has a passion. Everybody has a preference for their car. So just let them enjoy what they like. Yeah, he's got that thing souped up a little bit. Cool. So while we're just cruising, let's talk a little bit about what I've done interior wise to the car. As you can see, a lot of stuff is color matched to the body color. Got my mask here and my tow hook from my other video. But yeah, like the side pieces there, the trim around the speaker, I've color matched the Bose speaker emblems down there. They're black with the orange. Put these air vent bezels. Did this trim here. Some paddle shifter extensions. And painted these knee bolsters here. It's pretty cool stuff. And I get all my paint from automotivetouchup.com. They kind of had a period where they were taking quite a minute to get your product back to you. But that was due to COVID. And the last 2 orders I've had from them, man, it's been like within a week. So their company's up and running pretty good again. And this is actually the area I grew up in. And I worked at that store there, Donna's, for 4.5 years. Long time. Basically the last few years of my high school career and early years of college career, I worked at that store there. Then moved on to like Greer's, Walmart, an engineering firm once I got my degree, and now another engineering job. So this is my stomping grounds here. This is where I grew up. It's a town called Irvington. Small little town just north of Bayou La Batterie, if you've ever heard of that, if you're familiar with that name. All right, sorry about that. My SD card corrupted and the camera died apparently, but yeah, I charged it and fixed the SD card, and I was able to save my videos from yesterday. We just got Subway, so we're going to the park here and show y'all something pretty. That person must like teal. Show y'all something pretty cool down here. Hopefully the park's not packed. As we slow down to like 20 miles per hour. So there's a mansion right here on the left that it's been here for a very long time. I don't know exact date, but the movie Forrest Gump, part of that movie was filmed right here at this mansion. See that? It's pretty cool. All them old oak trees. We're right here on the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah, so if you watched my previous video, Dolphin Island, it's over there where I let my girlfriend drive. And I've done a few videos out here at this park. Okay, Okay, our table's open so we can eat this late lunch, early supper, whatever you want to call it. So back in the early 1900s, this used to be a mansion out here. That guy was not stopping, was he? I think it was a Ralston mansion. Remember right? Just trying to park. Well, we are here. We're gonna go eat. So YouTube, I appreciate y'all watching. This was kind of a different video. It's just a point of view video. And like I said, I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe if it's your first time here. Like and comment if you feel like it. We're gonna go get our grub on. So until next time, peace out.